Watch me make this Punch Piñata. You're going to need Trifold presentation board, party favors, whatever you want to put in them. Letters, and I got these from the $1.25 tree. Tissue paper, tape, hot glue, scissors, pencil, cups or lunch bags, whatever you want to use. And the kids helped me sort out the letters. I used the tissue paper as a straight edge to place the words. We taped them down because we're going to be reusing this again in 2 weeks, y'all. Then I used the straight edge again to draw out the rows, and we placed the cups to make sure they would fit. Then I flipped the board over and trace the cups and cut out the circles. I use a knife to cut them out, but a Xacto knife would probably be better. Then I cut out squares and recommend doing this so you get a clean punch through every time. And I tape them individually as well. I fill the cups and tape them down. Also recommend gluing them down so they stay. And then voila, it was a hit, pun intended, and worth every cramp I had in my hand after. If you try, let me know. See you next time. Bye.